Good day, madam. My name is Jean Flores, 46 years old. I am applying as domestic helper position. I was previously working in Taiwan, Hong Kong, UAE, and China. I also have 15 years experience caring of homes and families. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, ironing, childcare, and teaching. I also have experience teaching in the Philippines as a teacher of nursery, grade 1, and grade 2 pupils using the Montessori method. I'm a cheerful, trustworthy, hardworking, and responsible person. I hope you can choose me as your nannies or helper in your house. I'm looking forward to hear from you soon. Thank you for your listening and consideration. Have a good day.